Hello, Brian Cowen here. I'm sorry that I can't be on the campaign myself, working with my brother Barry Cowen in this European election. I hope you don't mind if I use this means of getting my message across. It's absolutely vital in our local election candidates and in the European elections that we vote our preferences for the whole list. By this means we ensure the maximum result for Fianna Fáil. And it's terribly important that we really emphasise that to all our supporters. In Europe, it's 1, 2 and 3, the order of your choice, Cowen, Blaney and Chambers. That is the thing that needs to be emphasised, and we need to remind everyone of our supporters that that's vital if we are to be successful. I commend obviously all of them, and I emphasise, as you would expect, my brother Barry Cowen. He has the experience both as a councillor and a TD and a negotiator on our teams for formation of government. Work with others to build allies for the Irish case and in the European Parliament. We are part of a group that will be sufficient in number to make a difference and influence policy direction. Barry Cowen, he can keep the tradition going that we had in the past, going back to Paddy Lawler's time. Both Barry Cowen, you can depend on Cowen, you can count on Cowen.